Miranda here at Sunshine and Grace, where I make journals and ephemera for life sown in sunshine and grown in grace. Today we're making two-sided back-to-school tags. Grab your screenshot and let's get started. We're going to start by looking at our prototype. It's just a simple tag with a flip out on the back. We're going to start using our graph paper, two-sided cardstock, and glue on some dictionary page. That's pretty easy peasy. Some math page. Ugh, didn't like the math page. I tried to vary the colors and textures that I used in the paper. Here's a really cool periodic table page. I loved that page. And I'm really hoarding it, so I'm just breaking little tiny pieces off. We've got just a page from a book, storybook, fiction book, I don't know. I didn't pay that much attention to it yet. And then we have an encyclopedia page that had a picture on it that I thought was kind of fitting. And altogether, it looks very much like scraps of a child's classroom. Then we took some washi tape and I tore a piece off and kind of split it in half so it wasn't so bold. And used it to soften up some of those straight edges, like up at the top of the dictionary page. And to just kind of add some interest and texture to the page. Or to the tag. Yeah, just kind of filling in there. Then I took my little girl and I am gluing her on the right hand side over the washi tape, like kind of right on the edge. I started to put her on the left, but I chose the right instead. And she fit really cute. And then I have this flower sticker that I'm going to stick right there, kind of on the edge of it, and boom. So cute. And again, it looked very like science class. I thought, like nature study stuff. So on the back, I use a black piece of paper that looks like black chalkboard. A butterfly sticker that I'm sticking on just kind of half off. Cut it in half so that it would be just a little bit of a peak, not a whole lot of stuff going on there. And then some of the chalkboard or the graph paper from the front. And a stamped globe image that I am hinging on to make the flap out. Then I have a little chipboard that's got a butterfly or dragonfly on it that I'm using to hold that down. And you can just pop it in and out. Then we're going to take an eyelet and set in the top there. And we're going to add a shoestring ribbon to it. And altogether, it looks very, very schoolish and cute. And while I'm finishing that up, I just want to remind you all, thank you all for watching. Remind you to leave a like and subscribe. And if you make this, look me up on Instagram, Facebook, Patreon. I do have a Patreon account now. It's Sunshine and Grace Journals. And you can find me over there. And I'm going to be putting a lot of exclusive content there. I'm offering all of my digital kits for vintage and above subscribers. And just check it out. I'll leave the link below. And I want y'all to remember that Jesus loves you so much he died for you. Grace and peace. Bye-bye.